actually, look, there you are, there's a Spitfire. Just landed at Dunkeswell. Two-seat Spitfire. What was that? First of all, sorry for utterly neglecting this channel. It's not what you think. It's not actually neglect. All the video footage from all of the flights that I had lined up to be edited into flying vlogs for this channel are currently stuck and trapped in the WeTransfer website, the file transfer website called WeTransfer, that I've had a faultless experience with for years, and I've trusted it to store lots of video stuff. And some of my flights, with all the GoPro footage and everything, different angles, up to 100 gigabytes of video footage per flight before it's edited down. And it's all there. I can see it all there. I just can't download it, and neither can the editor. So we haven't been able to get any more flying vlogs out yet. And at the moment, we still haven't been able to solve this problem. And I'm paying for a service where I can't get my video files out. And when I talk to their support, I'm told to go look at the FAQ. Finally getting the cylinder back on Dusty.
But I looked at things, I've only got 4 washers, and I was expecting to see 6.
Yeah, which is what you should.
2025 has been the worst year for flying since I got my license in 2010. So in 15 years, I haven't flown. It's now mid-June 2025, and I haven't flown since October 2024. Nearly 8 months. It's been a really, really tough year. Really tough year on every front. But hopefully, things are coming back together again. I've never not flown for this many months. I'm not going to bore you all the reasons why, but it's life getting in the way at absolute shortage of time, but also the annual waiting to get the parts. As at today, we've got 1 month until we're going to Tresco. 1 month to get Dusty finished and back in the air.
Not long.
Not long. So today we got the new cylinder on, but we discovered that the push rods were missing 2 washers each. 4 washers and an O-ring donut thing, but there should have been 6. Because there's supposed to be washers for the valve lifter spring thing. I don't know what it's called. So that was a very unexpected setback, but missing parts.
And also we lost a screw.
We have also lost a screw. We're gonna have to order some lots of screws. We actually lost more than 1 screw. There are like 9 or 10 screws missing, and I cannot for the life of me find out where they've gone. And the magnetos are supposed to go back on today, but they didn't. We think we fixed the fuel leak. Very, very simple. A loose Jubilee clip. So that was a much easier. If that's fixed it, we can't test it until the engine's back up and running. But if that's fixed it, then that's a very quick win. Fixing a fuel leak. That's to tighten up a Jubilee clip. It's the closest Archie's ever been to a Spitfire. A real Spitfire. What is it, Daphne?
Look at that airplane.
Yeah, what is it?
It's an airplane.
It's a Spitfire.
Which is my favourite plane in the whole galaxy.
What's it called?
It's a runway.
A runway, that's right. Look at that Spitfire.
It's gonna start.
It's gonna start, yeah. Okay, I'm videoing. Out of 10, how excited are you?
10.
And it's 1 month until we go for our annual trip to the Scilly Isles. Not just the plane needs to be ready in time. I need to be ready as well. And the plane, because it's got a brand new cylinder going on, it's going to need 2 hours of flying at high engine settings to help bed it in properly on straight oil. I'm going to need a couple of hours with the instructor as well, so I can double up those 2 things. I've got to do lots of takeoffs and landings, make myself current. I've got my medical coming up in 3 days' time. If he's not ready, he's not ready. We have to take the ferry. The vomitorium Salonian. But I hope not. I hope his plane's going to be ready. That's because the engine was already hot. That's a Spitfire. Woo! Oh, my hat! But on top of all of that, work stuff has really been intense, more than usual. I've had some of the weirdest curveballs I've ever had in business. Some of the best ones too. Some very, very cool stuff happening. I'm in the middle of a big preparation for a major fundraising round for Best Agent, and I've got an amazing board of directors lining up, including a couple of really well-known people. One, I go so far as to say he's famous, globally famous in his business, in his industry. Very exciting things happening on that. Getting Best Agent funded, which would, because I've been bootstrapping it all this time, without enough money to bootstrap it. So getting it properly funded. So there's a low 7-figure angel investor raise. And once I get the video footage out of WeTransfer, normal service should be resumed on this channel. But wasn't it fun with the Spitfire today?
Yeah.
Taking off. Sounds amazing.
I saw it taking off twice.
Yeah, we did actually. I got a few clips of it. And on top of all that, not very well. But hopefully I'm going to get better. I've got my father's funeral in 2 days' time. I don't want to make that sound like a small deal. It's not a small deal. That is a big deal, but I'm not yet. Not quite ready to cope with that. He had a long, good innings and a nice, good end. I think that's really important. But I haven't had a chance to deal with it, process it at all. So yeah, very, very brief update. But I cannot wait to get Dusty back in the air, to get the cobwebs blown off my pilot's license, to get a good couple of hours with an instructor, get myself current again, do some circuits, get my confidence back up, make sure Dusty's working well, all ready hopefully for a trip to the Scillies. Anyway, thank you for watching. Sorry for those of you who've been missing out on videos, and even if I can't get the WeTransfer footage, which I hope I can, because there are some amazing flying vlogs on that, one really special one. But if worst case scenario, when we start flying again, it's time for me to get my IMC rating again. Lots of flying stuff to do, and it'll all be filmed, and none of it will be put in WeTransfer anymore. Don't trust WeTransfer anymore. Apparently got sold out to a big company who then laid off 75% of the workforce at WeTransfer. It's not really surprising that their product's not working if they do that. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next one. Bye.